What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you why we have to be very cautious with our position, especially if we'll take a look on the latest price action. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we had a decent volume right here. We had quite a decent volume to the upside with these green bars, and we have to have a retracement, and my main assumption was that we have to retrace this internal third wave. And let me show you that from this top, from the price point of roughly $1,151, we had a consistent movement to the downside. And right here we have an internal third wave that finished at this very bottom at $617. And because of this price action, we have to have a retracement that will retrace this third wave. And for this case, I pulled the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this bottom, and as you can see, we hit almost to the tick the 0.382 level. And my main assumption was that on a bigger scale we have this is our first wave, this is our second, this entire structure is internal third wave. We have to have the retracement to land the top of our fourth wave, and next leg should be lower, and we have to land this bottom of the fifth wave. And probably it will be the lowest point for the price action from its recent all-time high on November 2021, and from somewhere at this level, and it is not the exact level, I don't have enough data to mark this range right now, but from the lower points we have to have a bounce. And I will show you in my technical analysis what should we expect next and why we have this price action. But for now, let me show you what was the reason of this sell-off. And I have to say that this sell-off was quite massive. It had about 12% in its movement. And let me show you this news. On June the 3rd, on CNBC.com, we have this article that is titled, "Here's the email Elon Musk sent all Tesla employees about 10% headcount reduction." And the key points are following. Tesla is cutting 10% of salaried employees, CEO Elon Musk wrote in an email to all employees there on Friday. Tesla shares dropped 8% on news of the headcount reduction at the company. On Friday, President Joe Biden was asked about Musk's negative economic outlook and said Tesla may be cutting back, but Ford and others were ramping up. And definitely this statement of Elon Musk made the bearish pressure on the stock market and on Tesla stock as well. And definitely right after that, let me show you this article. After emailing employees about job cuts at Tesla, Elon Musk says the total headcount at the company will increase. And this article was published on June the 5th. Let me quote you this. After sending an email about job cuts for salaried staff, Tesla CEO Elon Musk seemed to retract his statement in a tweet reply Saturday, writing that the number of salaried staff may not change drastically. Twitter account Mars Blog tweeted that Tesla's headcount would increase over the next 12 months. Musk replied and said that the total number of Tesla employees hired would increase, but that salaried staff should be fairly flat. Musk did not clarify whether or not existing salaried employees would become hourly employees or if new employees would be hired at Tesla. And definitely these statements made by Elon Musk pushed the price of Tesla stock down, and that is why we have this sell-off. So let me show you that we don't have major news related to their plants in Shanghai, Texas and Berlin. We have old news related to these factories. That's why we don't have bullish pressure from this point of view. And that's why we have another forecast from analysts that is lowered its price target. So Cohen Company on June the 3rd lowered its price target from $790 to $700, and it implies a downside potential of roughly 2.55%. So, definitely it is not the good sign that this company reduced its price target. But all in all, let me show you that if you take a closer look on Elon Musk Twitter, you can find this information. Just 15 hours ago he posted this: working on Tesla North American service. Goal is 2/3 of cars receive same-day service, no wait. And definitely Elon Musk want to increase the quality of the Tesla service, and definitely it will increase the overall acceptance of their vehicles. And he added also FSD beta 10.12.2 now expanding to 100,000 cars. And I have to say that this number is basically unbeatable by any other legacy or EV automakers right now. 10.13 smooths out intersection control, especially long lefts, and starts to handle roads with no map data at all. Last point is a big deal. Within a few months, FSD should be able to drive to a GPS point with zero map data. And this statement is very promising, and I have to say that we don't have any other car manufacturer in the world that might achieve this target in this short period of time. Definitely Tesla is the leader in this industry, and that is why this company cannot compete with the legacy automakers, because it is much more than just an auto manufacturer. It has a huge potential in their FSD and in their services. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to say that I am still quite bearish short term on Tesla, because we have to complete the entire structure, we have to land the bottom of our fifth wave, and if it is the case, if we will have the next leg to the downside, and if this asset breaks this previous bottom, definitely we will have next leg that will land somewhere lower, and probably the next range of support might be at $500 mark, because it is a psychological number. It is the confluence with the previous price action, and it is the negative 0.236 Fibonacci extension level for the entire wave, from this top of $1,088 to this bottom at $617. Definitely we have to be very cautious, but if you want to invest in this asset, I have to say that if your investment horizon is quite long, if it is longer than 12 months, definitely you have a very good chance to accumulate your position with the most attractive average price for Tesla right now. And this movement to the downside with this huge volume implies even more chances to hit lower targets. That's why just ladder your buys down and wait for the upcoming movement to the upside. So, and what price action might eliminate this breakdown? Definitely it is a breakout above this previous swing high. It is the price point of roughly $790. And if this asset breaks this range of resistance with the conviction of volume that potentially should be higher than these two red bars, definitely it will invalidate this count, but in my opinion it is less likely to happen. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it